What's up guys, I'm having problems with Dreamhost's new web FTP, which is Ajax Explorer, because it doesn't have any functionality of zipping and unzipping files, unlike its former web FTP program, which is Net2 FTP. Now, since I am manually updating my WordPress through SSH, I can show you how I'm able to manually upgrade my WordPress and unzipping files in this video. First, you're going to need to log into your Dreamhost account and then click on Manage Users, which is located here on the top left corner or down here in the users. Click Manage Users and just choose the user that you're going to use on your SSH that is paired to your website. So I'm gonna use this Maobaitan. I'm gonna transform this to a shell account and then save changes. Now you're ready to use that account on the SSH to unzip files and zip files and upgrade WordPress manually. And since it will take a few minutes to get this changed up, we're gonna need to download other files. So to get SSH, you're gonna need to search for, if you're using Windows, search for PuTTY and then click download. Now there are a lot of files in here, but you're gonna need the putty.exe, which is the very first link on the downloads section. Putty.exe. Download it and save it anywhere you can find it easily. Once you have downloaded it, you have to run it. Since I have downloaded it, it's in here. Let's get it on. Now I'm gonna run it. If you're using Windows 7, you're gonna have to run it first on the session. Make sure it's SSH, and then in the host name, make sure you put in the address of the site that you're gonna be upgrading. So in this case, www.mousepad.com. Don't have to change anything here. Next, go to data in the connection section. Put in the auto login username, and you're gonna find this on the manage users. This is the username that you're gonna need to input in your PuTTY program. So Maobaitan, and then login, choose SSH and then select to only, and then go back to session and then name this settings, so that you're gonna have to just load it the next time around you're gonna use it. So let's name this Maobaitan settings, then save it. After that, you can cancel it and get your files ready. Since I'm just updating my WordPress, you're gonna have the files ready. Once you have WordPress downloaded, extract it and then zip all these files except the WP-content. Once you have zipped it, send to zip, send to, and then zip folder, you're gonna have a file that looks like this with the name WP-admin. That is the file that you're gonna have to upload later. Now fire up your FTP program if you have any. Some use Fire FTP through their Firefox browser, but I use FileZilla to upload files So in the host section, the site name, the username, of course, Maubaytan, and the password. The password is located on this section, manage users. Click edit, and then the password is in here. You can change it if you don't remember it. The password that you're gonna input here is the one that you're gonna use here. So let's log in. Quick connect. And I got this wrong, so wait. Mousepad, this should have been mousepad.com. Then let's quick connect. Now that we are logged in, let's upload the zip file, the WP admin zip file, which is located on the desktop. Upload it to your folder, not the root folder, but the folder wherein mousepad.com is accessible. The folder wherein you can find the WP admin, WP content, and WP includes folder. So just drag and drop over here, and then wait for this to complete. Now that it's complete, we can now unzip it so that we can upgrade the WordPress installation here in mousepad.com. So let's disconnect this first, minimize, and then fire up your PuTTY program and load the settings that we have saved a while ago. Load this and then click open. Now you would be presented with this kind of window. Just click no or yes, either way it's okay, and then you're gonna be presented with this cursor. Now you would need to type the password that you have used here on FileZilla, the one here, and type it in here. Remember, whenever you are typing it in here, nothing will show up, but it doesn't mean that it's not responding. Just type the password and press enter. So okay, so let's type the password again. Click one. Typing the password and then press enter. If the password is correct, you're gonna be logged in just like that. Now on this window, type ls. It will show you the files on mousepad.com, which is the blog site that I am upgrading. So we have mail, dir, logs, and mousepad.com as the folder. Type cd, which is change directory, and then mousepad.com, which is the folder, and press enter. Now type ls again, press enter. You'll be presented with different files within that folder. Now you're gonna need to unzip the wp admin.zip, which we uploaded a while ago. So just type unzip and then wp-admin.zip, which is the file that we uploaded a while ago, and then press enter. Now you will be asked, to replace wp-admin/admin.php. Now, this is you will have yes, no, all, none, or rename. Of course, you're gonna have to overwrite the file so you can upgrade your WordPress. So capital A, not A, but capital A. A doesn't work. Press enter, and that's it. Just type in exit, and you have just successfully upgraded the WordPress. Now, the second step is upgrading the database. All you need to do is to go to the site and then just log in as usual, and you would be presented with this kind of page. Wait a minute. You would be presented with this kind of page wherein you would be required to update your database. So just click update WordPress database, and you have just updated your WordPress blog. So that's just about it on how you can be able to unzip files on SSH and to upgrade your WordPress manually. This also works when you are installing WordPress through SSH. Just upload it through your file FTP program, and then SSH, and then just SSH it using PuTTY if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, I don't have any idea what to use, but you search it on Google so that you can be able to upgrade your WordPress through SSH on Dreamhost. This is Dreamhost. So I think that's all. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe.